Good morning, day 60 of 75 hard. They say that it takes 21 days to form a habit. I don't know who they are, but they seem like they're fucking stupid. I've also read that it takes 66 days to form a habit. I don't know where the hell that number came from. Regardless, in my coaching experience, it takes way longer to form a long-lasting habit. Again, with 75 hard, there's a reason it's 75 days, because that is a long enough time to at least start to form some patterns that may turn into long-term habits. But again, we've all seen people that have done things for a very short amount of time and then gone completely the opposite direction when it's all over. You know, I've seen people train for big events or marathons or strongman comps or whatever, and when it's over, it's like off the rails. I've seen it happen with 75 hard way too many times. People get to day 76 and it's, you know, alcohol and burgers and fries and sweets and stuff. And, you know, 75 days later, they're right back where they started the first time. I'm not sure how long it takes to form a habit, but I know that it takes a good, considerable amount of time. So whatever it is you're doing, whatever you're trying to change, whatever behaviors you're wanting to improve, whatever things in your life you want to improve, just commit to doing it. And I just commit to doing it forever, or until it no longer serves you. Don't put a time frame on it. Don't think you got it just because you've been doing it. You got to keep doing it. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. What's up, party people? Day 60 is a wrap. All the stuff was done many hours ago. Had a delicious dinner, cooked some salmon. We can cook, by the way. My wife and I cook some damn good food. Anyway, I consider this now officially in the don't fuck it up phase of 75 hard. 15 days to go. Everything's flowing. And now it's just don't mess up. Just keep doing the thing. Like I keep talking about, once you find the groove, once you find the system, you just keep doing it over and over and over again, because that's what gets results. It's simple. Again, it's not easy. There's still temptation. There's still like, I don't want to do this and I don't feel like this and the weather's going to be weird, whatever, but none of that matters. We honor the commitment. We do the things that we know work, and we keep doing those things. Kind of simple. Y'all have a great night. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.